the wake of escalating regional tensions, India has embarked on a monumental journey to redefine its defense landscape. With a staggering $4.6 billion allocated for emergency military procurements, the nation is not only enhancing its defense capabilities, but also striving for self-reliance through the Make in India initiative. From cutting-edge stealth fighters to advanced drone technology, discover how India is positioning itself as a formidable force on the global stage. India, a nation with a rich history and diverse landscape, now stands at the cusp of a defense revolution. Recent regional tensions have underscored the need for a robust and modern defense infrastructure. In response, the government has unveiled a comprehensive plan to modernize its armed forces. A significant $4.6 billion has been earmarked for emergency military procurements. Investments include the development of stealth fighters and state-of-the-art drone technology. Central to this overhaul is the Make in India initiative, promoting indigenous defense production. Regions like Uttar Pradesh are emerging as key defense manufacturing hubs. Public and private sectors are collaborating to boost production capabilities. The armed forces are actively integrating these advancements into their operations. India's defense exports are also witnessing a significant uptick. Experts view this transformation as a strategic move to bolster national security. From reliance on imports to self-sufficiency, India's defense journey is remarkable. Training programs are being revamped to align with modern warfare requirements. Recent trials have showcased the effectiveness of indigenous technology. Naval capabilities are also being enhanced with new vessels and submarines. The Air Force is integrating advanced aircraft to maintain aerial superiority. Research and development are at the forefront of this transformation.
International collaborations are fostering knowledge exchange and innovation. The dedication of India's defense personnel is driving this change. India's defense modernization is not just a policy, but a testament to its commitment to national security. If you found this exploration of India's defense modernization insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses. Share your thoughts on how these changes might shape the future of regional security. Stay tuned as we delve into how India's advancements in cyber warfare capabilities are complementing its physical defense strategies in our next video.